Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the VIZIO VS Series 5.1 home theater soundbar with durable audio, Bluetooth, wireless subwoofer, voice assistant complete, include remote control, and then a V5XJ/J6. And this is what it sounds like, full volume for a little bit, because I don't want to get in trouble with my neighbors. Anyways, that's the sound of it. I don't want to get in trouble with my neighbors. The sounds are good on movies, very amazing, but I can't do that because I'll get copyrighted on YouTube, which I understand, but I don't want to do that. But it's really good. You can, has all of these. I love the speakers. They're actually really well done. Really sound good. I've always liked VIZIO. VIZIO has a good TV product, and this is the subwoofer. The movies are clear and sound. My wife always tells me, turn it down, it's too loud. That's how good a sound system it is. It's home theaters. It's the home theaters soundbar, and I love the sound system. I got this back in October 2nd of 2022. I've only had it for a year, and it's worth buying. It'd be a good birthday present, Christmas present. Oh, you just want to buy it for yourself because you want it. Because you want something nice for your home. Or you just want to go on a spending spree. And it's only $219. And if you have Amazon Prime, you get on Saturday, free delivery on Saturday, November 4th. Which is not bad. And it's Amazon choice. It's a really good home theater sound. Best thing you can ever get. I give you the link down below and this video. And I hope you enjoy. I hope I catch you on the next one. Talk to you later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.